Welcome to our YouTube channel. We are excited to have you here today as we delve into the unboxing and review of the incredible Garmin Forerunner 265S black bezel with Whitestone case and Whitestone/Neo Tropic silicone band. This video will take you on a journey from the moment we open the box, revealing the contents within, to a detailed description of the product's specifications, advantages, and positive aspects. As we carefully unbox the Garmin Forerunner 265S, join us in the anticipation of discovering this remarkable timepiece. With each layer removed, we unveil the sleek and stylish design that combines a black bezel with a Whitestone case, complemented by a comfortable and vibrant Whitestone/Neo Tropic silicone band. Let's dive into the specifications of this exceptional smartwatch. The Garmin Forerunner 265S features a durable Corning Gorilla Glass 3 lens, ensuring superior protection against scratches and daily wear. The bezel is crafted from fiber-reinforced polymer, adding strength and resilience to the watch's overall construction. The 1.1-inch diameter color display, with a resolution of 360 by 360 pixels, offers a crisp and vibrant viewing experience, while the optional always-on mode provides constant visibility without compromising battery life. Weighing just 39 grams and featuring a slim profile, the Garmin Forerunner 265S offers a lightweight and comfortable fit, making it ideal for all-day wear. With a water rating of 5 ATM, this smartwatch is suitable for swimming and other water activities, ensuring it can keep up with your active lifestyle. Battery life is always a crucial consideration, and the Garmin Forerunner 265S excels in this department. In smartwatch mode, it can last up to an impressive 15 days, providing long-lasting performance. When using GPS, the battery life extends to 24 hours in GPS-only GNSS mode, 18 hours in SatIQ GNSS mode, and 15 hours in all systems GNSS mode plus multiband. For music lovers, the watch can operate for up to 7.5 hours in GPS-only GNSS mode with music, 7 hours in SatIQ GNSS mode with music, and 6 hours in all systems GNSS mode plus multiband with music. Now, let's explore the wide array of features this smartwatch has to offer. With wrist-based heart rate monitoring, you can continuously track your heart rate and receive alerts for high and low heart rate levels. The watch also monitors your respiration rate, pulse ox blood oxygen saturation, and offers insights into your sleep patterns. Additional health monitoring features include body battery energy monitoring, all-day stress tracking, relaxation reminders, and hydration tracking. Equipped with various sensors such as GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, and Garmin Elevate wrist heart rate monitor, the Forerunner 265S provides accurate tracking of your outdoor activities. Whether you're hiking, skiing, rowing, or engaging in other outdoor pursuits, this smartwatch offers point-to-point navigation, elevation profiles, and real-time data to enhance your experience. For fitness enthusiasts, the Garmin Forerunner 265S offers a plethora of features to elevate your training. It provides automatic rep counting, cardio and strength workouts, interval training, and even on-screen workout animations and muscle maps. The watch also calculates your VO2 max, recovery time, and suggests daily workouts tailored to your fitness level. Cyclists will appreciate the cycling-specific features, including power meter compatibility, functional threshold power tracking, and compatibility with Varia radar and lights for enhanced safety on the road. Swimmers can take advantage of the watch's swim profiles, which provide detailed metrics for both pool and open water swimming, including stroke detection and drill logging. The Garmin Forerunner 265S seamlessly integrates with your smartphone, allowing you to receive smart notifications, respond to texts, Android only, control music playback, and sync your data with the Garmin Connect mobile app. The watch is also compatible with Connect IQ, offering a vast selection of downloadable watch faces, data fields, widgets, and apps to personalize your experience. To sum it up, the Garmin Forerunner 265S is a feature-packed smartwatch that combines style, durability, and advanced tracking capabilities to help you achieve your fitness goals. Its sleek design, long battery life, and comprehensive health and fitness features make it an excellent companion for active individuals. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the unboxing and review of the Garmin Forerunner 265S. We hope this video has provided valuable insights into this remarkable smartwatch. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. We look forward to seeing you again soon.